don't know what the hell this is, but I do know it can't use a phone.
This is an emergency broadcast. The current threat level is emergency. Australia's fuel crisis due to Trump's and Iran's war has risen to a point where 37 days of petrol have nearly depleted. Currently 7 days remain of fuel for Australia, which will not be enough to feed everyone. Therefore a new law has been passed, which has enacted a petrol rationing system. This is indeed an extreme situation taking place within Australia, and we need to take measures to prevent the collapse of order. The following restrictions will be implemented. 1. Only fill your car up once and only when it's about to run out. Essential workers such as retail, hospitality, social services, hospitals are exempt. 2. If you go to school, TAFE or uni and work in the city, take public transport. Do not drive, unless you have a valid reason. 3. All local sports teams and events will be cancelled until further. 4. Do not panic buy. Follow the guidelines for food. Package limitations will be given to each family and single residence. Additional information will be available by visiting www.petrolrationing.gov.au/food. 5. Protesting will not be permitted, and you will be arrested if seen doing so. 6. Television and radio will suspend programming from 10 p.m. to 9 a.m. to save on travel times for staff, presenters, and journalists. 7. All sporting events in Australia will be cancelled and put on hold until further notice. While these messages seem tough, they are there to help and protect Australia from falling into anarchy. We understand this will be distressing for many people, but we must come together, and we will get through this. Australians are strong, and she'll be right. Regular updates and information will be issued once a week. Prime Minister Tara Smith will address the nation in the next 30 minutes. Updates will also be provided as the situation unfolds, which will be available on television, radio and social media announcements through official government accounts, and be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay calm, stay vigilant and stay safe.